So today we are here looking at the community of Sawgrass at Coral Lakes, and these are townhomes being built by Centex, and I'm super excited about these today because this is one of the most affordable ways to get into a new home as of right now in anywhere in Southwest Florida. You can get into these homes currently. Of course, prices are always subject to change, but the current prices are in the low to mid 300s, depending on which floor plan you chose. There are 3 different floor plans, 2 of which they have model homes of. This is the 2-car garage plan called the Rowan. This is 1,657 square foot, 3-bed, 2.5 bath. These are going to be on the more expensive side. These are the most expensive in the whole community. They're going to be in the 360s to 370s is where they're at now. That's not the base price. That's the all-included, comes with that includes home site premium, the options and things that they typically put into these homes as they are building them and what most people would want. So that's kind of what you're looking at. And like I said, the smaller plans are going to be in the low 300s. We will talk about those as well. Also, the association fees are very low for everything that's included. You've got multiple community pools. It includes all of the exterior building maintenance, lawn and landscape maintenance, exterior pest control, and irrigation, and reserves for all of those things. And the fees are about $312 per month. So very reasonable, affordable fees, low price of entrance to get in and get a home. There's incentives and things like that a lot of times that they offer. Of course, it depends on the market and where everything's at. Give us a call. Let us know if you want to take a look at these. We would love to help show them to you. And if it ends up being one that works for you, get you into it.